Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel, Logical Living. Today I'm reviewing two new mystery Lego boxes. Feel free to check out the old video on the same topic on this channel. So you can see one is of Dungeons and Dragons and one is of Series 27. And obviously I don't know which I'm going to get, so I'm very excited to find out. So why don't we begin unboxing? To use my lovely knife. Before we look at the minifigure inside, why don't we just look at the possibilities? This is a sheet which they give with each collection so that you can tick off each minifigure you have. So I wonder which one I'll get. Now let me keep this aside so that I can actually show you the main minifigure. So excited. Now I don't obviously know which one it looks like, but there's a lot of pieces. And oh, there's some sheep. Oh, there's a piece of cloth attached with it. So it must be a very special minifigure. Why don't I look at the map and understand which one it is? It seems to be this one. And on the back they have instructions on how to build each one. So using that I can understand. They've given a base plate. So here's the minifigure. He seems to be a sort of elf, and I really like this design. Look at it, he has like these jewelry made of bones or whatever it is. He has a sash. He has such a beautiful staff, and they've given, the special part is they've given two headpieces. One is of a male and one is of a female. So here I've used the one of a male, and obviously each face piece is double-sided, so you can choose with a array of reactions. And over here you can see his staff, which is made of basically plants and like leaves. And over here you can see he has a bird. His headset is also quite unique. It's like antlers and it's like a deer's head type headset. I quite like it. But the best part is that you can look at this jacket type. It's made of a very unique material, cloth material, and I don't have many Lego minifigures which have such type of decoration, and it was just quite fun putting it on as well. I found it quite difficult initially, but the sad part is that these Lego legs don't move separately. They're just stuck like that. You can't move them because he's an elf. His legs are so small. This comes with a base plate and it's quite easy to display. That's why I'm happy with it. So why don't I move on to the next one? So now let's move on to this one. This is the Series 27 and it's looking quite interesting. Like, I feel there are a lot of pieces. So now let's go back to my knife. One thing that's good about these boxes is they're very easy to open. I technically don't even need a knife, but I just enjoy cutting with it. So just like last time, I'll first remove the sheet, and then let's just look at all the options, all the possibilities. So we have so many beautiful ones. I'm excited to know which one I've got. So now let's move on to the actual minifigure. Wow, it seems quite unique. I don't immediately understand which one I've got, even after looking at all the options. And this one, of course, thankfully has proper leg set. I don't have that. other way. And I'm not sure, but I think this is her skateboard. She can hold this in her hand, just as in the image. And who knows what this is for. So guys, I've realized what this piece is about. It's actually her backpack, and so it's supposed to go this way, like this, and then I have to put on her head again. It's quite hard on the base plate. I think this should have been explained properly in the manual, so I would have understood right away. Yeah, so that basically completes this minifigure as well, and I really like it because it comes with such a fun accessory. And so these are both of my minifigures. So that's it for this minifigure unboxing. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to look at our older videos, which are just as good. Do like this video as well. Bye bye.